Dear parents, loving students, honorable teachers and well-wishers, a warm and hearty welcome to St. Arnold's Higher Secondary School, Vijayanagar. As we step into a new academic session 2020, I assure you a bright future. Even though the school is empty, teachers are operating from home and the students are sitting in front of the screens for online classes, as though we are in a new world. Certainly we are in a pandemic situation, but not shattered. We understand that the future may not be the same, or it may take long time for us to get back to normalcy. But I assure you that we are trying our level best to provide you the best school-like situation at home. Hence, kindly, first of all, adhere to the norms and regulations of the government administration. During this pandemic situation, I think the school and the home cannot stand apart, but we need to complement each other. Both are a parent first and then a teacher. So, we are committed to understand the anxieties and worries of every parent and respond to you with positivity. I would frankly admit that during the long days of lockdown, as the head of the Arnoldian family, I spent a sleepless night worrying about the future course of action. COVID-19 taught me a great lesson that the future is not in your hands, but fight it out with positivity. From a world of uncertainty, we learn to make worksheets, then to PowerPoints, and again to make videos, and then go live classes. The question remains whether the live classes are the ultimate solution. And the answer is certainly not. I'm sure in the future we will witness many more new innovations unfolding. Hence, my dear parents and loving children, trust us and place your confidence in us. We will gradually take you to a new world of innovative virtual learning. However, for the coming 15 days, we will be reaching you out with short video lessons prepared by subject teachers in your own classroom. Dear children, don't you agree with me that when you are regularly coming to school, how you wanted to avoid the boring lessons of the teachers and watch the videos from the smart classes? So, we have a blend of both. Parents, we understand your situation after the lockdown, that how important it is for you to work hard to look after your livelihood. Hence, we shall not disturb you with too many live classes. Instead, we will be sending you the links of the videos through our YouTube channels. What you need to do is to log on to our school mobile application, that is www saintarnonsvijaynagar.in. As you log in, you will find something flickering there written new. Click here for assignment and homework. Once you click there, you will be redirected to YouTube. You can also download the worksheets, assignments from the same domain. Another important virtual learning we will be starting is to launch G Suite Google Classroom, which has many more features including live classes and online assessments. This may take another 15 days to get started. Until then, we will be coming online through our school ERP system. We hope to come live once in a week for clearing all your doubts with a scheduled timetable. Till then, let us begin our journey of online learning through our mobile application. You need to prepare a timetable and follow it. Rest of it, I am sure, as we are fighting, we will overcome this great pandemic situation and this great difficulty caused by COVID-19. May our patron saint, Saint Arnold, be our guiding light. May God bless all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.